Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to test and remove the alternator on Volvo S80 year 2000 diesel. Here we can see where the alternator is located. First we'll start the car and check the voltage on the battery with a multimeter and then voltage on the alternator. The battery on this car is in the baggage compartment, so this is a plus cable that we can check the positive, and then we find a ground spot somewhere on the chassis. The multimeter is showing 12 volts when the car is started, so that means that the alternator is not charging. Just in case, we'll check the alternator, the plus on the alternator as well to be sure. So we put the positive cable on the positive cable of the alternator and negative on chassis ground somewhere. There it is, 12 volts again. That means the alternator is not charging, so alternator needs to be removed and repaired. In order to remove the alternator, the first thing we do is disconnect the battery. We only disconnect the negative terminal. Next we start removing the alternator. We start with the engine cover. Next we use a 16 millimeters wrench to release the tensioner so that we can remove the serpentine belt. We need to move the tensioner backwards or anti-clockwise in order to release the tension to remove the belt. Next we disconnect the connector and remove the nut that's holding the positive cable on the alternator. There's another nut that we have to remove, which is size 8, that's holding some cables onto the alternator. Next we use a wrench size 15 to remove the parasitic pulley, which is just in front of one of the alternator bolts. Next we remove the two bolts that are holding the alternator. The two bolts are size 12. That's the two bolts removed. Next we get a pry bar and remove the alternator from its place, and then try to take it out somewhere from somehow. That's the alternator removed. It was a tight spot, but we managed to get it out. After the alternator is repaired, we install it back on the car. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hopefully it was helpful to some of you, and if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Thank you very much.